everybody. I'm Renzo Rosato.
And I'm Brenda.gramajo.
And we're back at the Aston Martin residence in Miami to get a quick update on the construction going live right now behind us and to give them more detail on the signature line they just released to their clients.
Renzo, let's step inside for a quick update.
Let's go. I can never get tired of walking in here and looking at this Volcan. Such a beautiful car.
Amazing car. And one of the good news is that it's a gift for the penthouse buyer.
So the triple penthouse buyer does take the car home with them. I mean, come on. I think I'd take it up to the penthouse and have it as an art piece, really.
I'll go with you. So let's take a look at the signature residence. They start on the 52nd floor to the 63rd floor.
That's right. So we're talking about from here to about here. After that is the 64th to the 66th is going to be that triple penthouse, which is going to come with that car that we mentioned downstairs, right? At the current moment, we're sitting at about the 63rd floor in the construction. They're getting ready to place that pool, which is sitting nice and high. The views up there must be amazing. And one of the great things about the Aston Martin residence is looking to finish within the next 12 to 13 months. Aston Martin residence is going to be the only high-end luxury residence that's going to be delivered within that time period in South Florida.
So it has been a pleasure to present you Aston Martin residence. My name is Brenda.gramajo.
And I'm Renzo Rosato.
And please feel free to contact us for any information regarding the remaining units.